Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm back with another exciting tutorial uh, in which I'm going to use ChatGPT to help me in performing some of my tasks. And today I'm facing the challenge of outlier handling. Okay, so let me show you the dataset. In our last tutorial, we used the air pollution dataset, and I performed very basic of exploratory data analysis on it. So now I thought I should ask ChatGPT. Either it can help me to remove outliers in my dataset or not. So I have already uh, make the setup, and okay, this is my Jupyter notebook. Let me replace it with the name of zero, because I'm uploading these on my GitHub. I will provide you the link today. So outlier handling with chat GPT. Okay, so we are all set, and for my ease, let me shift it. Sorry, let me shift it. Actually, I was making the thumbnail for my another video. So okay, so here, first thing first, let me introduce my dataset to ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT, I have a dataset named 01 air underscore pollution pollution dot csv. Okay, and it has these variables. Okay, we in our last video we used those variables. So let me save this in my history. Okay, now this is here in our history. So let me go back to our last tutorials chat, in which we introduced our we introduced ChatGPT with our variables. I don't know what it is. Okay. Uh, ChatGPT is asking me to provide more information on the variables. I just imported those variable from my previous chat, so I'm going to paste those variable here. So I'm telling ChatGPT that it has following variables and data types. These are the variables and these are the data types. Now I want to perform data exploratory analysis. No, I want to perform outlier handling. Okay, and provide me codes step by step, because I want to learn this or whatever. So let's see what ChatGPT has for us. Okay, it is saying that to perform outlier handling, first of all, you need to import libraries. Okay, very good. I am going to copy these libraries, and I need more cells. To save my run, I'm going to run this as well. Okay, and in next step, it is load the dataset. Okay, fine. I have loaded the dataset, and let's see if the name is correct. Okay, fine. It is correct. Okay, and it is saying that identify outliers through z-score. Okay, okay, fine. And then analyze the and handle outliers, replace outliers with nan, and then this, and then clean the and okay. It is doing it. It is using the z score method to remove the outliers, and then to analyze and handle those outliers. First of all, it will remove those outliers, then it will replace those outliers with nan, and replace outliers with mean. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. And at the end of the day, it will say provide us the clean data set. But I don't want this approach. This approach is provided by the chat gpt. I need to visualize those outliers in the form of box plot. Then I need to replace those with r to identify those with z-score, and I want it to replace it with data mean. And then at the end of the day, I also need visualization, so I can visualize the data set, how it has impacted the mean of each variable. Okay, so I do not agree with the response of ChatGPT. This approach is also good, but I need a different thing. I have to feed the ChatGPT step by step. Okay, straight no. Sorry, straight no. Okay, I need box plots to identify outliers. Moreover, use z-score method, then then replace outliers with mean, and at the end show me again the box plot. Okay, okay, fine. Now I have provided it in instructions. Let's see how it works. Okay, first of all, ChatGPT is apologizing for the confusion. Okay, we have already these two steps, and in the next step, it is going to identify outliers using box plot. Okay, fine. Basically, um, it will simply show us the box plot. Okay, let's see. So figure size is 15 by 6, and box plot outlier identification. Okay, fine. It is giving me an error. Here is it has gave me an error. Um, Basically, code provided by ChatGPT can have errors. So I'm going to copy this error from here and paste it in ChatGPT in box plot. I got this error. Basically, we don't need to worry about it as we are testing ChatGPT. So let's see. Okay. So it has provided me with an alternative code. So let's see. Does the code work? Okay. Yes, it's working, and it has provided us very good uh, box plot. So we can see that the mean line is here, and here we have some abnormalities in the data set. So let's see how it has calculated the z scores, and replace outliers with mean value. Okay, and again it's showing me the box plot. There was simple 6 steps. Now I'm again pasting it. It will give me an error. It might be possible. Yes, again we have the same error, and I'm going to copy this code and I will ask him in this code I got this error. Okay, what is the error? Again, the error is basically error is same as before, so I can simply copy this error from here, and basically it was not indexed. Uh, if I should have performed the exploratory data analysis, then there was the possibility that there were indexed column present in it. But now it will replace the code with the new one. So let's wait for the response. Okay, it has started providing us the response. Okay. Okay, box plot after replacing outliers, figure size 12 cross comma 6. It's taking some time. I think this time ChatGPT is using some deep knowledge to show me these values. So I can't wait to see those box plots. Okay, so simply it used this command to replace those, to index those. Okay, fine. And let me run it. So here we have different graph. Okay, let me see. Let us visualize if there are any kind of changes in it. Yes, there are very clear changes in this one. We had the abnormalities in the pollution yesterday, and the wind speed as well. But now those outliers have been replaced because I replaced those with the mean value. So there is a possibility that I should have replaced those with the null values. Then this section might have been cleared. But to test the chat GPT, it has significantly reduced the outliers here, and we can work pretty much with the chat gpt. But to make one sure clear that chat gpt is not the always the solution. As you have seen in this, that in initial step it provided me quite different approach. There were no visualizations, so if there were no visualizations, I might have not any idea about that there are several kind of abnormalities still present in this data set. So if you know your dataset clearly, you know what are you trying to obtain from the chat gpt, then you should work on the chat gpt. It can provide you a basic uh, background for anything. If I was unaware of outlier handling, I didn't know that we use z score for the outlier handling, etc., etc. We use iqr method as well. So now I have an idea about it. We can use the box plot for this. So this was a pretty good experience, and chat gpt again performed very well in the outlier handling. So thank you so much for watching this video. Tomorrow I will come up again with a new idea. We will be exploring any data thing with chat gpt, and we will see if the chat gpt wins our heart or not. So thank you so much. Do subscribe my youtube channel and like my videos.